talking about elimination using multiplication. And for the warm-up, I want you to think about these two questions. What did you need in a system of equations before you used substitution? So for substitution, we needed a variable by itself. And then what did we need before we can use elimination? Well, we needed a variable with opposite coefficients in each equation. Which, for example, that meant one equation had to have negative 2x and the other equation had to have positive 2x. And we wanted that, so when we added them together, they would cancel out and give us 0x. And if you can remember, this is what we wanted to use for elimination, then elimination using multiplication will be pretty similar to what you already know. There's just one new step. So we're going to multiply one equation by a constant, and when I say a constant, it's just a number, to get two equations that contain opposite terms. So basically all we're doing here is trying to get what we did in the previous lesson. We're trying to get this set up so it looks like we can use elimination. And that's the only thing that's new. We're going to have to multiply at least one equation. Sometimes we have to multiply both equations by some number, either positive or negative, to get our equations so that we have the opposite terms that we want. Once we get that, you add the equations. Notice that's exactly like what we did last time, eliminating one variable. You solve, and then you substitute back in. So the only new thing is this first step. You're going to have to multiply one or both of the equations by some number. And you don't have to multiply both equations by the same number. You can multiply either equation by a number. Sometimes you just have to multiply each of them by a different number to get them to match up.